Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create your own public Minecraft server. First, you'll need to select your server software. Options like Spigot or Paper are excellent choices, offering enhanced performance and plugin support. Head over to their official websites to download the latest stable version. Before you start, make sure your computer has at least 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM available for the server, along with a decent processor, to ensure a smooth experience for everyone joining. Next, you'll configure your server's properties. Locate the server. Properties file in your server directory and open it with a text editor. Here, you can customize crucial settings like the game mode, difficulty, and the maximum number of players allowed. It's also where you'll allocate memory. For a small server, 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM is a good starting point. Remember to save your changes before proceeding. To make your server public, you'll need to enable access through your network. This involves configuring port forwarding on your router for port 25565, which is the default Minecraft port. Additionally, add an exception to your computer's firewall to allow the server application to communicate freely. Once these steps are complete, you can share your public IP address with friends, enabling them to connect and join your world. For stable access, consider a dynamic DNS service. Finally, it's time to run and maintain your server. You can start the server by executing a simple batch file or through the command line. It's crucial to regularly back up your world files to prevent any data loss, perhaps once every 24 hours. Explore various plugins to enhance gameplay, add new features, or simplify administration. Continuously monitor your server's performance and keep the software updated to ensure a stable and enjoyable experience for all players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.